Am I inadequate, underachieved? Like I'm on a relentless pursuit of something within nothingness, being everything to everyone, and everything is never enough, but I am enough.
I am perfectly molded, exclusively made, hand-stitched, woven one strand at a time. I am like no other star in the sky. My ancestors composed an extraordinary song to the sun. I am rare, an exceptional light to the universe. I was created to recite this poem, to beat my drum in song of thank you to Papa Dios, Mama Dios, a los ancestros, los Santos. I'm a masterpiece painted with the most delicate of brushes. Legacy, purpose. I am the response to mi abuela's call. I am the new generation of the voice that shouts, la 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 la. All that I need to be.
I am enough.